Gum disease, tooth decay, or bad breath have nothing to do with how good your oral hygiene is. But with predatory bacteria buried deep inside your gums, eating at your roots and spreading like a plague to your throat, nose, and airways, and no matter what your doctor tells you, not even the deepest cleaning treatments can reach and destroy these bacteria that are tirelessly lurking inside your mouth, even when your teeth seem fine. But once you'll find out what you can do about it, not only will you have the power to get rid of your bleeding gums, bad teeth, and bad breath once and for all, but you'll also never have to face a dentist for horrifying procedures again. Because this solution is so simple that you can use it right now in your own home in less than 60 seconds. And so incredibly powerful that it's been clinically proven to work regardless of your age, medical condition, or the severity of your tooth decay. So we created a clinically proven and all-natural supplement available for anyone who's tortured by gum disease or tooth decay. We've called it Steel Bite Pro, the 100% natural solution that you can use to rebuild your gums and teeth starting today. Once all the bacteria are destroyed, Steel Bite Pro will help you to stop bleeding and receding gums while you regain their healthy look and feel. Stop the pain and infections. This alone will save you thousands in painful root canals and other dental bills. Make the ugly plaque buildup literally fall, shed away your teeth. Escape gingivitis and periodontal disease. Get rid of bad breath and all the embarrassing moment caused by it. Enjoy the confidence of having whiter teeth without cavities. Never have to throw your savings on dental implants and risk nerve damage or even facial paralysis. And never ever have to go to the dentist. To create Steel Bite Pro, we've sourced only the purest, highest quality 23 plants, herbs, minerals, and vitamins, measured the exact quantities needed, and put them into an easy-to-swallow capsule to take once a day. Every capsule is manufactured in the USA in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under sterile, strict, and precise standards so you can be 100% sure it's safe, clean, and of the highest quality. Moreover, Steel Bite Pro capsules are non-GMO. They do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and they are not habit-forming. Not only is Steel Bite Pro revolutionary in its approach, but it can be used by anyone at any age, regardless of their medical condition, even after years of neglect and decline. To date, more than 57,000 Americans, just like you, have already used the Steel Bite Pro personally, or shared it with a loved one. And across the board, the results are incredible. Here's what Gabriel Backer, 40-year-old from Baltimore, Maryland, says. No more bleeding gums, and I still can't believe I got rid of cavities. And to think how easy it was. I've been using Steel Bite Pro for 3 weeks now, and I'll share it with everyone I know. Or Loretta Martin, 48, from New Orleans, Louisiana, who says, I was afraid to eat, always cut everything into tiny pieces and chewed them carefully. After just 1 week of Steel Bite Pro, I finally had the courage to eat my favorite food, beefsteak. It was a huge victory for me. And Damian Sanders, 52, from Flint, Michigan, who says, I don't think there's a worse pain than tooth pain. I couldn't focus at work or enjoy my free time, and I was hooked on painkillers. Now it's like I've got my life back. No more pain. It just feels so good. All you have to do in order to achieve the same life-changing results is to start using it as soon as possible. The solution is much simpler than you'd think. And you can get access to everything in the next 90 seconds. Now, knowing all of this, it's obvious why Steel Bite Pro dominates any other option to fixing gum disease. Nothing else out there proved to work. Instead, Steel Bite Pro is a completely natural and 100% effective way of destroying the dangerous bacteria that are now lurking deep inside your gums, sentencing you to tooth decay. Of course, you could go to the dentist, who will torture you with sick plaque cleaning methods like dental scaling, methods that can't reach your root cause of your gum disease and eliminate the termite bacteria. Or maybe he'll talk you into expensive, lengthy treatments like gum grafts or pocket elimination surgery. Treatments that no doctor can guarantee they work. And good luck getting your insurance to cover the cost of those thousands of dollars. Next, your doctor might suggest you to replace your worst teeth with implants that cost $4,500 a pop, and have you wait 1.5 years just to see if the operation was a success. Not to mention, the termite bacteria can still cause an infection around the implants. You can put your hopes inside special toothpaste or fake gum strengthening creams, but these will never be strong enough to be that cure-all you're wishing for. All are a waste of money, time, and energy, and you know it. They won't get you well in a million years. Unlike Steel Bite Pro that you can get the job done in less than 3 weeks, while keeping your gums and teeth safe from future dental disorders. You can understand why Dr. ST and I initially wanted to set the value for Steel Bite Pro at $399. That's less than a gum graft surgery. and certainly a lot less than the cost of a dental implant. Plus, with Steel Bite Pro, you don't run the risk of infections or even face nerve damage, as it's 100% natural and side effect free. When you think about all that, it should be pretty clear why both I and the more than 57,000 people who have already used Steel Bite Pro personally think that $399 is a steal. But this is not about us making a profit. I've seen firsthand how using the Steel Bite Pro gave me my life back, got me rid of all the pain and humiliation. And now I don't have to lose sleep at night worrying about whether one of my teeth will fall or not, whether there's an infection that could spread to my brain and kill me in a matter of hours. Plus, I know the desperation of being sick and broke, with no money to take care of yourself, which is why I'm not going to ask you to invest anywhere near the $399 I was initially going to price this at, or even $299, or $199, or heck, even $99. Instead, and only while the website remains online, which may not be that long given the incredible threat it poses to big pharmaceutical companies and dental conglomerates, you can get your very own 30-day supply of Steel Bite Pro for a one-time 100% risk-free investment of $69. That's right, just $69. Before you order, one last thing. After thoroughly researching all the ingredients of Steel Bite Pro and running dozens of tests, I recommend you take this supplement for at least 90 days. On one hand, it's about giving your body enough time to process and take full advantage of all the plant extracts and steadily locate and destroy every single colony bacteria. This way, your teeth could absorb all the minerals and nutrients, thus undoing years and years of dental damage. On the other hand, Steel Bite Pro is selling incredibly fast, and once it will be sold out, it will take us at least 6 to 9 months to produce a new batch. Not only because we're accepting only the purest ingredients, but also because when an ingredient is clinically proven to work so well, like berberine, big pharmaceutical companies buy up all the supplies of this plant and pretend it's for research purposes. They offer such a high price for it that it's creating an artificial shortage. Berberis, the shrubs from which berberine is extracted, is incredibly hard to find in the wild. And even if there are a few berberis farms out there, even fewer of them grow it without using chemicals, while most of them are filling their pockets right now thanks to pharma companies buying up all their crops years in advance. You might find it in bottles in a health food store, but those supplies aren't pure, or they skimp on quality control to make up for their lost profits from the high ingredient cost. So yes, you can consider yourself lucky if Steel Bite Pro is still in stock today. But you know what? I want you to take full advantage of how great Steel Bite Pro is, and at the same time, save as much as you can on your health investment. So I'm going to make the deal even sweeter, because I know how hard it is to live with throbbing teeth pain, inflamed bleeding gums, and bad breath. I've set up a discounted package system of 6 bottles of Steel Bite Pro for you for only $49 a bottle, for a total of $295, which is being offered today only. For as long as supplies last, you also get free shipping on us. Once we run out of bottles, the Buy Now buttons will not be active anymore until we make another batch, which takes around 2 to 3 months at least. Click the 6-bottle package, or any other package that you want, below to secure your order. Consider this the smallest, most powerful investment that you have ever made for yourself. Yes, 1 bottle of Steel Bite Pro might stop bleeding and receding gums while you regain their healthy look and feel. 3 bottles might be enough to rapidly stop the pain and infections, saving you thousands of dollars in painful root canals and other dental bills, and remove all the ugly plaque buildup from your teeth. But 6 bottles of Steel Bite Pro will tighten your loose gums and cement the teeth roots, strengthen your teeth crowns, and turn your saliva into a super strong shield for your teeth and gums, making them virtually indestructible against future bacteria or food debris. You may be saying, okay, this sounds amazing and I'm interested. How do I get started? Click the Buy button below after choosing the best package for you, and you'll end up on our secure checkout page.